I'm here at Interpack in Dusseldorf, Germany, and I'm catching up with Jorge Zarate, Senior Vice President of Operations for Grupo Bimbo and the IBIE 2025 Chair. Hi, Jorge. Thanks for catching up with me.
Hi, Johnny. Great to see you.
So we're at Interpack. Let's take a walk.
Let's go.
Okay, so at the show, this is a week-long show. What are some of the biggest trends in packaging and processing that you've seen here?
Yeah, well, it's great to come back after 6 years of not having this particular show. So I would say in the packaging, which was the main intention of this visit, the two big things that we've seen in both packaging material, but as well in equipment. I would say the first one is sustainability.
Yes.
What started 7 years ago, now it's a must. Everybody's talking about it, even how the machines are working, how they are printing, how they're coding, and so on, the energy that they're using, but also all the packaging that is there. The other big thing that grew a lot is automation. Automation was something that we knew we needed, but now it's here, and it's amazing all the development and innovations that the companies has done in all parts of the world regarding this automation. So helping us on the industry.
There's so much technology to see here in all of these halls, 18 halls. As the chair of IBIE 2025, what do you think some of these innovations in areas like sustainability and automation, what do you think this means for what we can look ahead to in 2025 for IBIE?
Yeah, well, I'm really anxious to see all these guys, but not just what I saw in this fair, but I think in the coming years, they're gonna come up with greater improvements and greater advances on sustainability. Sustainability is something that we have to rush. We have to work everybody on that. And I'm very happy and I'm really very confident on technology and science that they are helping us on catching up on this footprint. So what I'm expecting is to see more process. Of course, this fair is more in packaging, but some process. The other, but for IBIE, I would like to see a very nice balance of having a process, but also packaging.
Yes.
So this is what I expect, and I'm sure that I'm going to have great innovations and great new technologies and science also applied in our industry.
Wonderful. Well, I think that the future is bright for packaging and processing in automation and sustainability and everything else that sort of encompasses the baking process.
You are right. Totally right.
Jorge, thank you so much for catching up with me. It was so good to see you.
Thank you very much, Johnny. It was great to see you.